Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video. And as you see here, the daily candle is finished. That one here, as you see it there. And what it's showing to us, it's showing to us what also we've been saying before. We told you there is a correction is going to come. We don't know exactly when. Maybe after it's going to come up or to touching here that level. Then after that it's going to fall down. Or we are going to wait till Monday. It's going to come the candle of Monday. Then we're going to see what it's going to do. And me, I think it's going to fall down because I'll show you why in the previous videos, guys. And here we still have that channel as we show you before. As you see it here. That one is a channel. It's being touched here. Touch here and here again. So either from here is going to fall down again till here, or from here is going to break it and go higher. I think everything is too clear. By the way, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber? Yes, my friend. Are you not yet subscriber? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Also, we are a special YouTube channel. We put every day two videos analyzing for you the Bitcoin. So like that, you're going to be very, very, very well updated about what the Bitcoin doing right now. It's not something hard. Just down a red button, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all. So like that, when you put in something new, you're going to be notified. And if you want to be notified more quicker, you need to join us in Telegram. The link of our Telegram is in the first comment. So like that, you're going to be notified more quicker than here in YouTube. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. So here in daily, there is nothing special, guys. Let's go to see our indicator, guys, what is saying for picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator is still the same thing. It came and breaking for us that level here or that last high here after that nice bounce up from here. So now either is going to fall down to touch here again, then after that to go higher, or maybe that breakout here will happen here. Is it a false breakout and you're going to see the Bitcoin falling down again to here? I think everything is too clear. But the good news, guys, also here we break that long-term downtrend as we've been following, guys. Everything is too clear? By the way, I knew you were going to tell me you are a subscriber, but did you smash the like button, my friend? Go ahead and do it, please. Smashing the like button, writing down a comment. It's not something hard, it's just very, very simple step. Pause the video now. Go now, smash the like button, writing down a comment. And if you could even share the video. You done it? Thank you very, very, very much, my friend. Let's go now to see what the Bitcoin doing right now in the 4 hours, guys, for the picture to be more clear to you. Here we are in the 4 hours, guys. Here in the 4 hours, what as we said before here. We said we have here a flag. Yes or no? That flag it's being broken here. Now either from here is going to continue upward because that flag you bring it from down here. So now when it's breaking, you just bring that line here. That one, you bring it, you put it here. So it will go in upward now. For another scenario, it might from here to go back inside, guys. Why? Let me show you why. As you see in here, guys, here in the 4 hours, what you see in here? That the channel as we're talking about. Yes or no? You are in the top of it here. So either from here to go back down, till down with the channel, or from here, it will go in till the top here, guys. Also, we need to study all the scenarios, guys. Yes or no? So as I told you, it will go until here. And that place, also we're talking before about it. Let me show you when we talk about it exactly, guys. We talk about that place when we used to have here a wedge like that or a triangle. When it's breaking here, we tell you the first target is it here, guys. Second target here in the top. That's what also we said. We said the first target here at 23k or 22,500. Second one is it here at 25k, guys. We are very close to that level here. And why me, I believe is there is a correction before the continuation of. Why? I'm going to show you everything. By the way, if you are new and you want to learn how to use technical analysis, down below in the first comment there is a 85% to our highly recommended course. The course is in Udemy. The course is not expensive. If you're using the couple link, it will cost you only $13. The course, it will teach you everything. And that course, it's more than 9 hours. And believe me if I tell you that that course is better than millions of courses decided to you by $1,000 and $2,000. Go to it now. And believe me, at the end, you're going to come here and you're going to thank me because of that course. Everything is too clear, guys, here. And now here, what is giving us, guys, here in that place, what the Bitcoin is giving us here. You saw it or no? It gave us here a wage. When me, I told you to enter short if it's breaking, I told you here, down here, if it's breaking here, the 200 moving average, you can enter short, guys. Yes or no? And I got very, very nice news for you. That's why me I believe is going to go higher more. Yes, there is a correction coming, but after that there is a big pushing going to come. Why? Because all the big tech companies in USA, they started doing adaptation to the crypto world. Google, we saw what they do with Solana. We saw big companies, JP Morgan with NFTs and all those kind of things, guys. So there is big project they are entering to the crypto world. The crypto is the future, guys. That's why me every time I told you guys, now you are in a discount here. In the future, it will never go back here. Like how it used to be 3,000 before, it's never going back there. So try to buy as much as you can. Everything is too clear? Now let's go into our indicators, guys. What the same for the picture to be more clear to you. That one here, that way me I believe is going to fall down, guys, because of that divergence here. As you see, it came touch here and here before. Let me show you in the chart for the picture to be more clear to you guys. What you see in here, guys, look with me here exactly. Here and here. What you seeing? In that place, the chart of Bitcoin is showing its high. And here down in our indicator it's showing it's low. And here it's showing is high. And here in the chart it's showing it's low, guys. Yes or no? That's a very clear divergence as you see it. Look at it. Look here at that zone here. Let me change that color. Look here and look here. What it's showing to you here? It's showing to you is going up. Yes or no? Look here at that zone here and that zone here. What it's showing to you, that one? It's showing to you is going down. Yes or no? So there is something not right, guys. Yes or no? That's why me I believe there is a big correction going to come, guys. And here, after touching here, me I think maybe there is a drop going to come, guys, to here. Maybe not. Maybe just came to touch here, that level here. Then after that to go back upward to that divergence trend line, we need to make a close eye at it, like how we used to have before one here. So now it give us here another divergence, guys. Yes or no? Everything is too clear? Let's go now to see our other indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you guys. By the way, did you smash the like button, my friend? Yes, you. I know you done. Please pause the video now. Go. Smashing the like button. I want that video to explode today. I want it to reach at least to 40 like, guys. So please pause the video, smashing the like button. It's not something hard. I know for you guys, I told you 30, you make it. Now we need it to reach to 40 likes. So please pause the video, smashing that thumbs up. Smash it now. You done it? Thank you very, very much, my friend. And I appreciate all the help I get from you guys. It's going now to see our indicator, guys. That one here, even that one, there is a divergence here. I'll show it to you before. I'll show you like that and like that. You see it or no? Look here. Look that peak here with that peak here. What it's showing to you? And that one where we are to that one, guys. What it's showing to you? Something not right here. Here it's falling and here it's going up. So that's a divergence, yes or no? It might in Monday you're going to see it come till here. Till that zone here. Then after that there is a correction going to come and that when also we're going to enter again long, guys. So now what should you do? A level you are in a very stronger level, guys. Look at it. Our indicator is at the overbought area. Should you enter short now? No, my friend. What else we saying? We need a price action. Where is the price action we have here? Is only that one, that wage or triangle or name it whatever you want. The names doesn't matter, my friend. The most important to know how to trade them. It's need to come to break for us here for us to enter short, yes or no? Or it might to give us here in that place another price action. Let's see if there is any price action there. Tell no, there is no price action here. In that level here, there is no price action, indicating for us the market is going to reverse. Everything is too clear? That for swing trader, not for long-term investors. Long-term investors, last week we said you need to buy 50% of your capital and you let 50% as a backup. If the Bitcoin make a correction down, we will buy down. If it's breaking in the weekly level, we will tell you to buy that 50% you still have, my friend. Everything is too clear? Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what the Bitcoin doing right now in 30 minutes, guys, for the picture to be more clear to you. Here in 30 minutes, the last video, what did I told you here? Here in that level, here exactly here. What did I told you? I told you got here a triangle. I told you if it's breaking down, you enter short. Did it break? No, my friend. Look at it. It doesn't break in here. There is no breaking. Until now, let's zoom it a little bit for the picture to be more clear to you guys. Until now, it's showing here in that level. You came here, look with me here, like that and like that. What's it showing? It's showing it's respecting that level here, yes or no? So there is no breaking yet. It might from here to break up. Also, we are not going to enter here in 30 minutes because why? Our indicators, all of them, they showing us we are at the overbought area, guys. And extra things, let me show it to you. So as you see, guys, our indicator is at the overbought area. Level, we are in a very stronger level. Price action, we got one. If it came a breaking for us lower here, we will enter short, guys, in 30 minutes. That for scalpers and day traders, not for long-term traders or swing traders. Everything is too clear. It's our other indicator, what it's saying, guys. The one here, guys, as you see it, look with me here, exactly here at that peak and that peak here. What it's showing to you? Look here in the chart, what it's showing is going up. Here in the indicator, it's showing is going down. Yes or no? So something is not right, guys. Yes or no? Look at it here and look here. That's a divergence, guys. Yes or no? And look where we are now. We are here in the middle. So it might from here to break higher, guys. Everything is too clear, guys? You get the picture what I'm trying to tell you or no? So that's it for that video, guys. See you in another video. Bye for now, guys.